Everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have seen some examples regarding how to find cubes by using Anurupiya Sutra for the given two-digit number. With regarding to the same concept, here in this session we are going to see some more examples in finding the cubes for the given two-digit number by using Anurupiya Sutra. So guys, the example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 51. So guys, in order to find the cube of 51, we use the procedure of Anurupiya Sutra in the following way. I think you know that while applying Anurupiya Sutra, we will be having 3 rows of different parts of process. Now let us see what is the first row and what are the parts of process that we have to do. So the first part, what we are going to do here is, we are going to cube the digit that is in tens place. So guys, here in the number 51, the digit in tens place is 5, and by cubing the number 5 we will get 125 as the answer. Now coming to the second part, what we have to do here is, we have to multiply the square of digit in tens place with the digit in ones place. So guys, in the number 51 we are having 5 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So by squaring 5 we will get 25, and by multiplying with 1 we will get 25 as it is. Now coming to the third part, here in the third part what we have to do here is, we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So in the number 51 we have to write 5 as it is, and we have to square the digit that is in ones place, that is 1 square, we will get 1 itself. So 5 into 1 we will get 5 as the answer. Coming to the fourth part, what we have to do here is, we have to cube the digit that is in ones place. So guys, here in the number 51 the ones place is 1, and by cubing the ones we will get 1 itself. Now after getting the first part, second part, third part and fourth part of the first row process, what we have to do here is, we have to write all the answers sequentially in the following way. So this is the way how we have to write the answers. So here in the first part we have got 125 as the answer, and in the second part we have got 25, and in the third part we have got 5, and coming to the fourth part we have got 1 as the answer. Now let us move to the second row process. Here in the second row, the first part what we have to do here is, we have to double the second part of the first row. So here the first row, the second part answer what we have got is 25, and if we double the number 25 we will get 50 as the answer. Now moving to the second part, what we have to do here is, we have to double the third part of the first row answer. So here in the first row, that is in the third part, what we have got is 5, and if you double the number 5 we will get 10 as the answer. Now after getting the first part and the second part of the second row answers, what we have to do here is, we have to write them sequentially below the first row answers in the following way. So the way how you have to write the second row answers is, you have to keep the first part of the second row below the second part of the first row answer, and the second part of the second row should be kept below the third part of the first row answer. Now after that, let us place a horizontal bar like this. After placing the horizontal bar like this, now let us move on to the third row. So here in the third row, what we have to do here is, we have to sum up all the first row and the second row answers. So here in the third row, the fourth part answer what we have got is 1, and we don't have any digits to add up. So what we have to do here is, we have to write 1 as it is. And moving to the third part, here we are having 5 and 10. By adding 10 and 5 we will get 15 as the answer. And moving to the second part, here we are having 25 and 50. By adding them up we will get 75 as the answer. And coming to the first part, here we don't have any answers in the second row to add up with the first row answer. So what we have to do here is, we have to take down this 125 as it is in the answer like this. Now let us place one more horizontal bar below it. Now after getting the answers of the third row, what we have to do here is, we have to add up all the answers by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons. So here in the fourth part, what we have got is only 1, and it is a one digit number. So we have to write this one as it is. Now moving to the third part, here we are having 2 digits, that is 15. So what we have to do here is we have to take the digit that is in ones place, that is 5, and we have to write it in the answer. And the number 1 should be taken as carry on to the second part. So by adding 75 with the carry on 1, we will get 76 as the answer. But 76 is a 2-digit number. So what we have to do here is we have to take down the digit that is in ones place, that is 6, and we have to write it in the answer. And the remaining number, that is 7, should be taken as carry on to the first part of the answer. Now by adding 125 with the carry on 7, we will get 132 as the answer. And since there is no more other parts to take as carry on, we have to write this 132 as it is in the answer, like this. Now therefore we have got the final answer, that is 132651. And therefore we can say that 51 cube is equals to 1,32,651. So guys, this is the way how we have to use Anurupiya Sutra in order to find the cube of the 2-digit number. And I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupiya Sutra, and in the next session we will be having some more examples regarding the same Anurupiya Sutra in finding the cube of a 2-digit number. For watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.